Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. And to get started, let's power off the device. And while it's shutting off, you want to get a cable for charging, plug it into the device and also into your computer. And then when it's plugged in, you want to hold power key and volume up. And as you can see, this will take you to the recovery mode. So from here, you will use volume keys to navigate, and power key will be used to confirm. And you can either reboot the device, which will take you back to Android, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view some logs, run tests, and also power off and repair apps. And like I said, whatever you select, you confirm with power key. So because I want to leave it, I'm going to select reboot, and now it's basically rebooting and going back to the Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.